Having the Children's Hospital of Georgia right here in Augusta, Georgia is really a good thing for a lot of our citizens around this area. It was in desperate need of a renovation to the main lobby. The flooring in that lobby was in very poor condition, and that's really our front door to our children's hospital. And so we wanted to come up with some design ideas on how to make that more appealing to our families, visitors, and guests when they come to our Children's Hospital of Georgia. With spaces in healthcare, you have to be very thoughtful about when you're in designing the space, what you're using the space for. Every bit of space in a healthcare building is precious. We have to really look at the space because, number one, we want it to be aesthetically pleasing, but two, it's got to be functional. It's got to meet the needs of our patients, meet the needs of our family, and if we drop the ball on that, then we've just not succeeded. We have a long history with 2KM. 2KM has been working with our hospital since early 2000s, and Dan King and his entire team there, they've done a wonderful job for us in the past. They know healthcare, they know our likes, they know our dislikes, and it just seemed like the logical choice for us, and it was really a great partnership, and it exceeded our expectations.
From a patient perspective, it's always uneasy going into a hospital, and whatever we can do to make that journey a little lighter, a little more distracting, we want to do that. So to be able to take on the lobby project and be the first face that you see when you step in and have that distraction of amazement, wow, especially, the wonder in kids, they get really excited when they see things they've never seen before. So the goal of the space was to make it beautiful but also durable and functional. It had to hold up to the 100,000+ visitors it sees each year.
2KM's attention to detail is really what sets them apart from a lot of other firms. Without really going in and getting into that nitty-gritty detail, that's really what is going to really help us define what we want, and that's what we need when we're working with a design professional, and they're one of the best at that. They're going to be a big part of what we do moving forward, and we look forward to working with them.
It's really rewarding to be able to work with the Children's Hospital of Georgia just because it means so much to the community and the region. It serves so many patients, and whenever 2KM gets the chance to work with that hospital, it's really meaningful work.